You're hearing rumors about me and you can stomach the thought of someone touching my body when you're so close to my heart. I won't deny what they're saying because most of it is true, but it was all before I fell for you. So please, babe, so please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful. Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, and if you love me, then let it be beautiful, 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 let it be beautiful. Everything I say right now is gonna be used in another fight. I've been through this so many times. Can we change the subject? You're gonna start asking me questions like, was she attractive? Was she an actress? Maybe the fact is you're hearing rumors about me and saw some pictures online saying they got you soaring, making you wish you were blind. Before we start talking crazy, saying some things will be rare. Candy to slow it down, rest be said. Beautiful, so please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful. Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, and if you love me, then let it be beautiful. Just let the past just be the past, and focus on things that are gonna make us laugh. Take me as I am, not who I was. I promise I'll be the one that you can trust. So please don't judge me, and I won't, cause it's getting ugly before it gets beautiful. So please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, and let it be beautiful. Let it be beautiful. Let it be beautiful. Yeah. I don't wanna go there, baby. We should never go there. I don't wanna go there. I don't wanna go there. We should never go there. We should never go there. Why you wanna go there? Why you wanna go there? Guess I gotta go there. Guess I gotta go there. Guess I gotta go there.
Kinéztem és láttam, de sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Reggel mikor kinéztem és láttam, de sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Láttam a madarakat szárni az égen, sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Láttam az embereket járni a réten, sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Öreg azt a tanítja, everything's alright. Öreg azt a tanítja, everything's alright. Öreg azt a tanítja, everything's alright. Csak tudalom azt, hogy jó, 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 de jó nekem. Tanár Azt mondják, hogy pozitívan éljek, de nem rezeg bennem már semmi sem. Azt mondják, hogy pozitívan éljek, de nem rezeg bennem már semmi sem. Lekésztem a gépemet, nem megyek én már haza. Lekésztem a gépemet, nem megyek, csak dúdolom azt, hogy jó, de jó nekem. Azt, hogy jó, de jó nekem. Jó nekem. És láttam, sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Reggel mikor kinéztem és láttam, sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Láttam a madarakat szállni az égen, sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Láttam az embereket járni a réten, sajnos szemembe sütött a nap. Öreg rasta tanítja, everything's alright. Öreg rasta tanítja, everything's alright. Öreg rasta tanítja, everything's alright. Csak tudolom azt, hogy jó, de jó nekem. Tanul azt, hogy jó, de jó nekem. Jó nekem. Azt, hogy azt mondják, hogy pozitívan éljek, de nem rezeg bennem már semmi sem. Azt mondják, hogy pozitívan éljek, de nem rezeg bennem már semmi sem. Lekésztem a gépemet, nem megyek én már haza. Lekésztem a gépemet, nem megyek, csak túlolom azt, hogy jó, de jó nekem. Azt, hogy jó, de jó nekem. Jó nekem.
You're not here, I don't know what I'm living for. Stared right in my eyes and said it, go slow. Cause you've been hurt real bad now once or twice before. I don't wanna fight, you wanna say trust me now. You go and change your mind. Do it every time. Just because you hurt you bad, it's in the past. I just wanna love you right. And she said, don't Nobody seems to understand why I stay when I know you'll end up pushing me away. Got me working overtime all day just to see that pretty smile upon your face. I don't wanna fight. You wanna say trust me now, but then you go and change your mind. Do it every time. It's because you hurt your bad, it's in the past. That's what I do. That's what she said. Don't go, 'cause I did hurt before. Said I did hurt before. Yes, I did hurt before. I said, oh no, 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 I won't let you go. No, I won't let you go. No, I can't let you go. Can't let you go. I can't sleep at night. It's all about the lady that is no, can't let go. I can't sleep at night. I can't say goodbye. It's all about can't let go. I can't let go. my way, find my way home. Oh, 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 I find my way, find my way home. Oh, 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 I find my way, find my way home. Oh, 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 I've got a feeling that won't let me sleep. Go to the sea, but she abandoned me. But I won't ever give up, no, never give up, no, no. No, I won't ever give up, no, never give up, no, no. And I won't let you get me down. I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. No, I'll never give up, no, never give up, no, no. Oh, I won't let you get me down. I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. No, I'll never give up, no, never give up, no, no. Oh, I find my way, find my way home. Oh, 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 I find my way, find my way home. Oh, 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 I find my way, find my way home. Oh, 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 I find my way, find my way home. Oh, oh, oh.
LX. Entre em contato e faça o seu CD personalizado. 99 981 99 7313.